What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning back into the channel, back in the shop here. Another day working on the GTO, but we got something a little special. Getting ready to tune this beast on the dyno here.
We got a special guest in the house.
Special guest in the house with a Nissan GTR. Cool, about to strap down, lock it in, and get going. Alright guys, so we got the GTR strapped down to the dyno. Just running it through the gears, warming everything up. This is a full bolt-on and supporting mod Nissan GTR. It's a 2017 tuned on corn. I believe it's E85. So I think the goals for a full bolt-on car like this maybe right around 800 to the tire. So we'll just do a baseline pull here in just a minute, see what it makes, and then start tuning from there. It's on the gate. How many pounds is that?
Probably about 16,
16, 17
17.
pounds. A boost on the gate.
Nobody wants to be on the gate.
Nobody wants to be on the gate. Not in this shop.
Not around here.
Those are good baseline numbers. You said it got 52, 54s? 254s?
52 millimeters.
252 millimeters twin turbo.
That
All right, did a little tune, spice it up, make another hit. 755 horse, 742 torque. What was the boost on that one? 20 pounds of boost. So it's not even, you're barely tickling it. Yeah, that's cool. 20 pounds of boost, 755 horse, second hit. So same deal, shut it down for a minute, let it cool down, do a little tweak, throw a little more at it, and then do another pull. So 4 more pounds of boost and it made almost another 45 horsepower. That's good. It's an efficient motor. 24 pounds of boost on that, 798. Because this is a stock trans, stock motor car, I don't think we're gonna lean on it too hard. 800 is a good number. I think they're gonna churn it up a little more and make another hit. But I think it's happy and it's pretty close to where they want it. So here we go, hit number 4. Got some good power out of that thing. Stock motor, stock trans. 814 horsepower to the tire. She's happy. The trans was doing good. The trans was happy and then turned it up a little more.
Yeah.
Made a little more boost with it. Hell yeah. Making good power, 831. 5,800. It's a happy GTR. All right, did a couple little adjustments to try to bring the torque down but keep the power up. So getting ready to make another hit. Pretty consistent. Brought the torque down. Brought the torque down to help save the stock trans, make the stock trans last. So this would be a good horsepower, good torque, lasting car. Would be good. All right, guys. So that's a wrap on the dyno. Car is stock motor, stock trans. Trans temps are good. Clutch slip is down low, so it's full bolt-on. All the supporting mods on ethanol. E80 I believe was the blend, made 831 to the tire and 754 torque. So if you like these videos, you like any of my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. We'll be working on the GTO more here later. We'll be hopefully finishing this up and I'll do a nice walk around on that car and we'll get it up on the dyno. So like I said, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you don't miss any content, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think, and we'll catch you guys next time.